baby did the damn thing, period. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Imani, and as you can see on this flawless look, and forgive me if I'm saying her name wrong, but Naezrah, I think that's how you say her name. This is where I got the inspiration from, and ever since I saw this look, I was like, I just have to recreate it. And just so happens so that one of my besties, my Insta besties, has a collection out, makeup collection called Journee Beauty. And y'all see the look. Y'all see the look. So honestly, we're gonna go ahead and get into this review. If you guys want to see a tutorial on this look, first of all, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, join the family, you know, so you know what's up. And I'm gonna give you guys a tutorial after this quick little review. So first things first, like I said, my Insta bestie named Simone, also known as Ming. Check her out because she's also a bomb makeup artist. I will make sure I drop her Instagram right here. So I had ordered one of her palettes called Under the Influence, and I just had to get it because first of all, the colors in there is freaking amazing. Like, y'all see that color range. So the biggest thing was, you know how with color palettes some come off ashy and some are just like, man, this is boring. No, this honestly just gave me like that 6 years ago feel of like what makeup tutorials used to love, like all those colorful eyeshadow palettes. And I definitely feel like she brought that back with this. I'm gonna swatch a few shades for you. They're all so gorgeous, honestly. Like, she has different shade, as you saw, she has different shade ranges of like pinks, purples, orange, blues, greens, yellows. And I am madly in love because I feel like literally if I wanted to do a rainbow look, let me keep my mouth closed because actually I got something to forget with that because I'm gonna use this palette for it. But this honestly is freaking amazing. Like I don't even know what to say. Like, let me go ahead and swatch a few. So I'm gonna swatch Raspberry Martini for you guys. This one is like a magenta shade, pigmented, right? That's the point, sis. And then I'm gonna swatch, let's see, I want to do a shimmer shade now. Let's do Champagne. So Champagne's like this gold. It's like a perfect golden yellow. It's like, it almost gives me Christmas vibes. I'm really here for it. Let's see. I like that. Nice and shimmery. That's really pretty. And then, so I'm liking this Blue Water Breeze. This one is different from the, this one's more like a glitter pigment. The other one was more like, you know, that sparkle pigment. I really like, y'all see that already. And it's glittery. That's pretty. Oh my God, that is pretty. Do y'all see? Look at that glow. I'm tripping right now. And then the last one I'm gonna swatch. I could have swatched every shade in here for y'all because they're freaking gorgeous, but you see on my face. I like to use the pastel look that she had in here. She had a lot of pastel colors for each color in there, and I feel like that was gorgeous. I'm gonna go in with LA Water. This one is more of like your deep royal purple. Period. She definitely did her thing with this palette, and I think the biggest thing, I'm gonna drop the price too somewhere in here. And honestly, if you're not on this palette now, you're boring me, sis. Like, this palette is freaking everything. Like I said, as I can see, like, the pigment is perfect. It's freaking amazing. Okay, so that was another thing that I noticed about this look that actually shook me. So you know how you have some yellows that don't come off as a yellow, or they come off really ashy, you can't tell it's a yellow? Sis found the right one. Freaking gorgeous. Like, this, you see the yellow, like you can actually see the yellow in this. And I feel like with a lot of looks, especially like on us, you know, darker skin or brown skin or black women in general, yellows don't normally show up too well, but in this case it showed up freaking perfectly. Like, I am madly in love with this palette. Like, I don't even want to use this on my clients. I mean, I'll use it if I have to, but I'm about to be stingy with this because this, baby. And then the next thing I'm going to go into is she sent me a lippy, excuse me, a little bra strap, guys. I'm giving you guys a show. So I'm going to go in show you guys this lippy. So first of all, the packaging is so cute. It's in the shade Nudes. It is freaking gorgeous, like this package. And as you can see on my lips, like honestly, I've been trying to find that perfect nude lip that goes over this, and I think I found like my go-to lip now. Like I think I actually figured out which one I wanted to go with. I don't want to get it on the eyeshadow, but y'all see that in one white. That is freaking gorgeous. And then it's not sticky, but it's not loose. It doesn't feel like it's just going to smear all over your face. I definitely feel like the placement on it is perfect. Like I definitely feel like it's a, you won't have to reapply it too much. Honestly guys, I'm sorry, you guys hear my son in the background. He's going to need my life apparently. Like I said, this one, first of all, it smells good too. It almost smells like candy. It smells like a type of like milky candy, but it smells really good. This one is in the shade Nudes. This is what I have on my lips. Like I said, you guys will be seeing me put on these things in the little makeup tutorial that I have afterwards, so stay tuned for that. But honestly guys, I'm gonna drop the price for this, and I'm also gonna drop the links in my description box if you guys want to purchase. If you guys want to purchase this, these two beauties together, honestly, worth it. This is freaking worth it. Like when I say I am madly in love, baby, this right here, I'm not going nowhere without this. Do y'all see this lip? I done found my lip and I'm sticking with it. Like this is pretty. Like, you know, normally I have my darker shade and I just pop some lip gloss on it. No, this, honestly, and then what's crazy is because I would normally put this on and just put some gloss on, but it would still kind of be dark. Not this. This is just straight pigmented. I'm about to have her rename this to Imani's fave, because this, I'm about to re-up on this like 1,000,000,001 times. I'm in love with this lippy right here. This lippy is everything, and I feel like it's just, it'll take your look from boring to like a sister popping, like date night, going out, I just anything. Like I'm obsessed with this lip gloss. This is going to my vault. I'm not putting this on none of my clients. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. This is mine. Mine. Period. So like I said, I'm going to definitely drop everything down in the description box for you guys. When I say like this palette, this lippy, I'm about to go try everything else. Listen, as a matter of fact, I can't wait to her to like put out this Christmas collection. I don't even know if she's going to put out a Christmas collection, but she needs to, because I'm all in and I'm here for it, because that right there. Yes, so I'm about to go in, and actually she has like this red lippy that I saw her now, and I actually want to try it now. And normally I don't do bright reds, but I actually want to try this bright red one. That lippy, y'all hear me, I'm ranting, and it's a good rant because these products are freaking amazing. The eyeshadow palette is freaking amazing. Like, come on now. If you're not buying, then what? Then what? Then the best thing, she's black. So it's black owned and it's popping. Go get it right now. I'll wait. You took too long. Hurry up and go get it like right now. But oh my gosh, guys, when I tell you, A1 palette, A1 lippy, everything, and nothing's ashy, nothing's dusty, minimal fallout from the eyeshadow palette. This right here, you only really need to even put on one swipe with the lip because it's just that pigmented. But me, I got greedy with it because I thought it was gorgeous, and I put some more on. But oh my gosh, guys, this is a definite must have. Go get right now. Like I said, I'm dropping in the description box, so click the links and go get it like right now. Like I'm talking about, sell her out. Like go do it like right now. Freaking amazing. Oh my gosh. Yes. But like I said, guys, this was my review for it. This so like I said, perfect. And like I said, if you want to see how I achieve this look using these products, just be sure to stay tuned right after this review and watch me go through this tutorial for you guys. And that's pretty much it for this part of the video, guys, the review part. Baby did the damn thing, period.